People, so back again to our next vlog. See dog the motor, so what happens to the vlog?
Yeah, I'm not walk so me find care package, we are give care package.
We are give. Oh, that's so like a rich guy. If we don't work and we are give care package, that means we're rich.
We're rich with life, dog.
Rich with life, yeah. Yeah. Chuck a park, you know. Okay, see me. Give you some care package. Can't go in, man. Why?
Can't do it.
Why?
Do it.
Billy. Yeah. Truck a go in the yard, you know. You unload it. You see me now? Tomorrow, we are finished. We have to pack out tomorrow. You have to do it, bro. I pack out tomorrow.
God's the greatest. We are give back to the people.
Yes.
Big up Ash Boss and
Boss.
colleague.
Yeah. So we'll give them a feature upon the vlogs.
So we'll give them a feature who would do it, make it possible.
Yeah.
Never know saying you could have do something.
Yeah.
But I know about the shiny thing.
Cute boy style in the boy.
A few moments later.
Yeah. We just are looking to it. I'm gonna stand still. You get it?
A few moments later.
One rocks, what else?
Man.
Yeah, people, they are back again. Or in reaching that place so long. Him not do all the hard work, but just organize up.
Him not do no more.
Yeah, him not. A little bit. No, he do a little bit out. I'm look while and I'm hot, I'm sweaty, everything, but just organize up everything, you know, tomorrow packaging day. So tomorrow we just make sure so everything in order. The juice, bro, I'm not sitting there so right now I'm tired, my brain fry everything. So but there just a look, because we have to take for ourselves there, you see me? Tomorrow is the next day. So tomorrow I'm bringing again.
I see like this man this.
Yeah, people. Day 2 actually. After 9 and out. So there big progress are going. Rice come all the way around after. We are doing the floor. Yo my G. Yeah. So I breathe. We are doing the floor. No issues. Progress are going to all over this so. You see me? So I go and take the time and do everything. Right now I'm tired. I'm there for about 2 hours sleep. But I make it up, not show me that. Yeah.
Do it to the knee,
Yeah. But there still link up soon.
I'll do that.
One eternity later.
Morning people. You can see me at the mud. And I'm tired. So final day we actually pack everything in a truck and a bus them right now. You see me? I know full of holy power I know but tired. But we're going down here to see the missus after 7 now. What are you doing?
So yeah, so once we get on the grounds, as I said, there's a tent, there are 2 tents. Yeah, 2 tents, and we have tables. So we're just going to set up, and then there will be a system. Persons will be in charge of specific, areas. We are trying to ensure that we bless each household. So 1 care package, which includes the food, the toiletries, the water, the sanitizer, all the things that we have. It's 1 per household. 1 of each, right, per household, because we want to ensure that we reach as much persons as possible. Going up there, we have close to 600 and something care packages I mean, in total.
Well, I'm Jonah, you got to ride us again. Well.
The boy is like him and be talking. No, I don't come blood class my palm of flat. Can't want tell if you record here, go on the most feel like.
No, I'm tell her that. Me know them people. You see when I start shine the camera on people, I see them look at me like
no,
uncompatible. I just feel uncompatible.
Bro, you just now for this. Yeah.
So that's why I own me.
Are we off your record? Are we do your work?
But they
have some of that.
I'm on a regular day.
Come on, look.
We're taking some to St. and West. So, you know, we are trying to make sure everybody gets something. Alright? We don't have no only for us, we don't have no only for no, but we want to make sure everybody gets something.
Put you into the vlog too, bro. What we got right here?
We got some colognes. We got some colognes that my friend gave me. I'm handing them out to the people.
Yeah.
Everyone loves cologne. Everyone loves smelling
Of course,
good.
we got to smell good, right?
And they smell phenomenal.
All right, bro. Wouldn't be possible without she William forward to. Yeah, without them this wouldn't be possible right now. So big up guys. Big up guys.
Yeah, good evening everyone. I want to say thanks and I really appreciate it. I hope that your store basket may never be empty. This morning I was saying to myself, my son needs pampers, so I'm going to get pampers, and today, to God be the glory, because he has done, I received 2 packs. So I hope everything goes well with you guys, and thanks again.
Amen. Hello, I want Mellissa to come again. We're so grateful for having you guys here to give out the package. We are grateful for we thank you very much. We want Mellissa to come back.
No, sir. Nick can't do it again. Nick can't. Wagwan.
Father, the man them, after me leave, me crooks them right here in the bus. Me don't know who come up and take you and give you a scare package. My favorite one too. Me don't know what I drop dog.
I want it.
I'm trying to know what you want me to say. I am G. What mother? No. Oh yes, I came in Spanish. I would murder you. Yeah. Green that there see my bad. Green that.
I agree. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we have to do it right.
Thank you very much.
There's a most of them are partying to celebrate. So when you want, you don't say one. You want? Alright. You want to find one G-string.